I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that is perfect for across the floor. It's like my MO right now is to do across the floors for this channel. It is an Irish and shuffle ball change pattern, and remembering the pattern as you go is key. So it's really good for any level as long as they know Irishes and shuffle ball changes. And the speed at which you do it can make it easier or harder depending on if it's slower or faster, and that could go either way as well. If you do Irishes really slow and ask your students or yourself to not put your heel down, that's challenging. So even slow is great for advanced. But yeah, so it's just a pattern, and let's go ahead and get started. So it starts with 2 of each. Shuffle, hop, step, so 2 Irishes. And then shuffle, ball change, 2 shuffle, ball change. Nice and easy. If you're doing it across the floor, the Irishes move, the shuffle, ball changes don't. So it's also a really good exercise for momentum and then stop. Momentum and then stop. That can be difficult and tricky as well. So 2 Irishes, 2 shuffle, ball changes. Ready? Let's just try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now you do that twice in a row, okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, change, shuffle, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Next part, 1 of each. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change. So let's just try that part, 1 of each. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step, switch, each. So the shuffle, ball change happens on the opposite foot as it did the first round, because it goes shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change. You don't do 2 of each. So let's add that to the first part. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 of each. Good. Then you finish it off with 3 and 1. 3 Irishes and 1 shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. And then you are ready to start on the left. So it's continuous, right, left, across the floor. Switch his feet as you go. So let's put the whole thing together. It's 2 of each, 2 of each, 1 of each, 3 and 1. Starting with Irishes each time. Cool? Let's try it. I know I gave that really, really quickly, but it's like, once you know the pattern, you know it. It's just keeping it in your head as you go. That's the challenge. 2 of each, 2 of each, 1 of each, 3 and 1. Let's do it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 of each. 3 and 1. And then you would go right into the left foot. Cool? Can we try it right and then left? Let's actually try it on the left first. Let's just do the left first. Good idea. Good idea, guys. All right, ready? Left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1 of each. 3. And then you're back on the right foot. Cool, let's try right and then left, and then we'll try it with some music just for fun. Cool? Short and sweet tutorial today, but a lot of fun. I love this exercise. Let's do it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left side. 1, 2, change, 'It's a mind game. It is such a brain teaser to remember where exactly you are. And I'm even cheating. I have a notebook and it was still hard. All right, let's try it with some music just for funsies. Cool? Cool. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. That's your tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's such a moment of satisfaction, isn't there? When like you make it through the exercise and you think you got it right. Such a moment of satisfaction. All right, just for fun, let's do it one more time. One more time. For technique exercises, I try to do it at least twice on the video. Not only so that you guys have twice to go along with me without rewinding, but also to challenge myself and make sure I can do it more than once. So, let's do it. I really like this song. The song information will be listed below. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make it almost all the way through and you're like, please don't mess this up. Please don't mess this up. I just did that. All right, hopefully you had a blast learning this little technique exercise with me. If you're one of my students that take my class in real life, be prepared. We're gonna be doing this in class. It's so much fun, so much fun. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where you can just learn one step, choreography tutorials where I teach you a little combination to a popular or timeless song, and vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff on this channel. All free tap dance tutorials and resources for you. So make sure that you subscribe and also hit that thumbs up because YouTube needs to know that people like tap dance. So hit the thumbs up, really, really helps me out. Subscribe really helps me out. So please, it's free to do. Just hit that subscribe button. As soon as I hit the next milestone of subscribers, I get to offer so much more and I'm so excited. So hit that subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.